implemented this for classes from 6 to 10. And children, we found that they are interested and motivated. So we started this for this academic session. And we have 2 servers, and we are catering to up to say 400 children in our school. And it's quite interesting, children are excited. One thing during the lunchtime, I think when I was discussing with Mr. Sridhar Gopalan, the Sparkies, which he has mentioned rightly, that it is really a motivation factor for the children because it's like the teacher gives them stars. So the children are interested to do more and more with MindSpark.
We tried that year, and next it was optional because I was just testing the waters, and next year I made it compulsory for the whole school with the support of the parents. And we have benefited tremendously, especially with regard to improving the way we test the students, and all the resources that we have been receiving from educational initiatives like question a day, teacher sheets. So we have been trying to make the optimum use of this.
So past 10 years we have associated with these education initiatives. As Sir said, we have also introduced this DA, Asset and MindSpark. And this MindSpark has made a good impact on children. After introducing this MindSpark, children have improved in mathematics a lot. And accordingly, the parents also appreciated this group.
I like this talent search because here you don't have to write anything and it is based on what you already know. In Asset at school, it is like an aptitude test. It tells you where you excel and where you can improve. So that helps a lot because there's no pressure of doing extremely well. We are told not to prepare for the test at all.
This Asset test is really good. Our school has, it is a part of the curriculum. So my children gave, I'm a mother of a triplet, so I have 2 more boys of same age. And when I saw the report the first time, I was pretty happy that, they really pointed out strength of each child, which is very good, and also what to improve on and what not to improve on. And the second part of the second level of the Asset test, again that time I had called up the team and I asked that how should one prepare. So they absolutely said no preparation required. You just let your child be, and that is what I really like about it, and I'm really appreciating it, that there's no pressure on the child.
Another thing which I noticed, this is my personal observation, suppose you are introducing a topic, say in number system, and the child is there in 9th standard, but the child has not done the basics. What I did is, I activated topics which are to be activated for grade 6 or grade 5 or grade 7, which normally teacher won't have the time to activate and teach the basics, which I have done. And really the weaker children who are not having the basics, they are motivated and they are now at par to do that particular topic, number theory. So this is the advantage of MindSpark. That's what I would like to point out here. Thank you.
We follow the Montessori system at the base, and one phrase to describe is child-initiated education rather than child-centric, because it's self-exploration of the child that matters. We were one of the first schools with EI, and many other schools which took up Asset and DA and MindSpark did check with us, cross-check, and we've always had good word for them. And if I have to describe the EI team, they are innovative, highly flexible, and always help us out